Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. With this tutorial home lab setup with Raspberry Pi 4B, I'll be talking on the topic installing Ubuntu on Raspberry Pi. So let's get started with it. Quick recap of prerequisites required for home lab setup, which is Raspberry Pi 4B, a 15-watt USB-C power supply, micro SD card, Raspberry Pi imager to flash Ubuntu image, heatsink, cooling fan and internet connectivity. To begin with the installation, download the Raspberry Pi imager from the given URL, plug your SD card into your system, install the Raspberry Pi imager, then we will be choosing operating system and storage to flash the image. Then let's have a quick demo where I'll show you the steps. I'm already in Raspberry Pi official website, so you can see Raspberry Pi imager over here. This is the 64-bit version. You click on download for Windows. I have the downloaded version here. I'll click on to install it. Yeah, install. Run Raspberry Pi imager. So I have the application here. I'll go and choose the operating system as Ubuntu. Ubuntu long time support 64-bit. Choose storage as this one and we'll click on write to begin writing into the drive. So I'll be skipping to the end of the writing so that we can continue with our tutorial. So once the image is flashed, you will get a pop-up saying you can now remove the SD card. So we'll click on continue and we will check. We'll click on cancel here. Accessible, yeah, not a problem. If I go here, you can see system boot. This is what our Ubuntu looks like here. These are all the bootable files. Yeah, so after the flashing of image is finished, it's the time to power it on. But before doing that, we will set up SSH to be able to connect. So to set up SSH for Raspberry Pi is very simple. Create a file with name SSH. We require SSH because we do not have any dedicated monitor, keyboard and mouse to operate. To connect remotely, we will need SSH to log in. So we'll be creating a new file here as SSH. So that should be your file type. So to do that, we'll just simply copy any of the file type document over here. We rename it as SSH. Yeah. So our SSH file is ready. Now it's time to power it on. Eject the media, plug your SD card, connect your Ethernet, connect your power cable and power it on. So that's it with SSH. So that's it for today's tutorial. Next we will see how to connect to Raspberry Pi using SSH and what are the things to be done before that. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye.